Hey guys, welcome to Tita Fitness. So I'm going to take you to Tulum Chango Gym, where I am going to show you how this gym looks like. I'm also going to have my workout there, and I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about this gym. If you're watching my videos for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to Tita Fitness and keep supporting The one thing you realize about this gym, it's outside. It's close to the beach where you can just come and work out and go swim inside the ocean. So it's amazing. It looks great. And please watch the whole video and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Please, before you go to work out here, make sure you hydrate yourself very well because it's very hot. It makes the workout so difficult. I was doing half the weight that I normally do inside the gym. As a Tita Fitness, I say, let's do it. At a bench press here, we have the squat rack machine. Yeah, dumbbells on that side. Also, we have the lat pull downs here. So you guys can see we have the boxing
kayak on that side, and then yeah.
Thank you. There we go.
Sammy, I was going to you today, let's make sure you guys are set on the ride from Montrose to right? Oh, I was going to ask that. Yeah, we should just look at, I mean, there's like a guide who will come and drive like Baltimore and Elizabeth. You guys are really fun, like, and all that. That's like good. Okay,
Thank you guys for watching the whole video. Let me know in the comments what you think about Tulum Chanko Chim. I had so much fun on the monkey bar. It gives you a different kind of freedom, especially just working out at the beach. Go watch my Instagram videos and get to see the whole of this monkey bar workout video. And thank you so much for your support. Keep subscribing, and I can't wait to share more content with you guys. And let me know if you need ideas about bodyweight training. I'm here to help you, and I love you all, guys.